Hey guys, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. Today we are going on location in Indian Harbor Beach, Florida to replace a lowboy water heater in a high-rise oceanfront condo building. So this ought to be interesting. Well, there she is in all her glory. Good thing we're only on the second floor and we got an elevator and it's out in the walkway, so we're gonna do this. On the elevator, heading up. This shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so we got an outside unit here that's underneath an air conditioning. I don't know if we're going to be able to put an expansion tank on that. It's a plug and play, built-in pan, and we've got to get this thing drained. 30-gallon lowboy. Somebody used a shark bite valve on there. We're going to see if we can take that thing out of there. Let's get this thing started draining. Alright, so today we're working with it looks like a 30-gallon low. It's been wired in with a whip. Your 240, so we just got to unplug it and then save this piece and hook it up with the new one. But we got to get this thing started to drain first, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. All right, so I got my hose hooked up to the bottom of the water heater, and that actually is tied into a small irrigation pump, and it goes over there and shoots off into the landscaping, as you can see it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to open this up first. Try to get this water rolling. I have to open the pressure release as well because we need air. We're going to plug this in. Sorry. There we go. Pressure release open. And there she goes. Draining the water heater. Power disconnected. Let's get the top off this shark bite flex. Oh, get that out of there. All right, one of the habits I usually like to do when I'm doing water heater is when I'm draining, try to fill a bucket up. That way we have water to cool the hot copper down with. We don't have to wait for things to cool off. And I'll show you how I prefab some fittings and stuff to make things a little bit easier. Bye, old heater. All right, so what we're looking at in here, this is a built-in metal pan. We got to take the shop back, get rid of all this water and stuff. That's got a built-in drain. So the water overflow and everything goes down to this pan, and everything from the top floor down hooks into it, all but drains outside. So we're not going to be putting another pan in here. We do need to get that old shark bite valve out of there. anybody says anything, we're not required to use dielectric unions here in Florida, as far as I know. We just hard pipe the thing in there. And we tighten this thing down. All right, well, there's the install. All the copper work we ended up having to do, and I hung the expansion tank off the side because there wasn't room up top. And yes, I did calibrate that with the pressure to the building. And I have a video that shows you how to do that when installing a thermal expansion tank. Now the last thing I need to do, you can see how I did it. I had the AC line up here. We had to sneak past that. I got a brand new brass ball valve ready to go. Everything's in there where it needs to be. Last thing I need to do is wire in this whip for the electrical, then we start filling this thing full of water. All right, so we got our whip wired in here. Expansion tank is all set and ready to go. Before we plug any kind of power in, we're gonna go inside and open up the faucet on the hot side. Then we'll come back and we'll fill this up and see if we got any leaks. All right, let's see. Where's the closest bathroom? Right there. Let's go ahead and open it up on the hot side. Oh, well, we can bleed some air out. Let's go get this water back on. Ooh, what a view. All right, let's see if we got any leaks. We'll turn the water main on back here to the house. How do they got that? Oh, it's got to come this way. There we go. The water main. And now water heater. Oh, looks like she's full. Okay, so after you get your water heater all filled up and stuff like that, always make sure to come into all the fixtures and turn them on the hot side and bleed all that air out of the system. Don't let it sit in there, on the hot side, so it flows freely. All right, so I had to just kind of bend that over a little bit. It's kind of tough judging this because a lot of times when you do lowboy under air conditioners, you don't have room to put an expansion tank, but we kind of lucked out this time. Everything looks good, no leaks. Water's full, air's out of line, power's going. Time we got for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and all that good stuff. Now listen, before I hear all the why did you do it this way, why didn't you do it that way, this is Florida. Things are a little bit different. It's demographical. Now, we're not required to have put dielectric unions in here. Yes, I did pre-calibrate the thermal expansion tank before I installed it to the pressure of the building. I have another video. If you go through my video list and stuff, you'll see a video on how exactly to do that and how I did that. Until next time, from Central Sunny Florida, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.